Hello, welcome to another tutorial video from Wonderchat. Today, we will go to show you and explain you how you can create a workflow to decrease the number of tickets that your team is getting inside of Freshdesk. Creating a workflow will give you the availability of having AI and your chatbot going through some steps that usually your team will be doing. This will make sure that your team get less tickets, and when they get a ticket, they will be able to go right to point and work on a solution. Let me show you how you can do this. So before we start, you need to make sure that you already have the integration done between Wonderchat and Freshdesk. To do that, please watch our previous videos where we show you exactly how to do that. Once you have the integration done, you can go ahead and start creating your workflow. For that, you need to select the right chatbot you want to create a workflow to. In this case, we will use this one, and go to Edit. Inside of the chatbot, you need to go to Workflows. And now let's start creating the workflow. In this example here, I will create a workflow for a return request. So let's say that in a regular return, your client gets in touch with your customer support team, and your customer support team will need to first ask the email, ask the order number, ask if the package is in good state, if it's unused, and then they will be able to ask the client for the return information, like providing a return label or offering some discount. With Wonderchat, you can avoid some of that steps and having AI doing that for you. Let me show you how. So let's go here under Add New Workflow. Under the new workflow, you will need to tell the AI when you want this to be used. So let's say that when client asks to return item, you need to add some example questions. Can I return? And now you can start adding the actions. In this case, we can delete this one. That is the reply to the original question, and we will go with our actions. So first of all, we will ask for the user email. Second, we will ask for the order number, and this is a custom field that I already created. Next, we will ask the user if the item is in good state. For that, we will request the user response here. And we will type the question here. Now, if you want to add extra steps, like for example, let's say that you already have a form or a link that you can provide to the client so they can go ahead and create a return. You can do that by choosing this one here, fixed message, and provide the link for the return generation of the return label. If you don't have that and you need to have your team creating the label, so you can choose here to have the option to send an email. And you can select your Freshdesk main email, for example, customer service at something.com. And this means that when the client completed all the steps above, your team will get an email notification at your inbox with all the details above, and they will be able to just go to the last step and provide the return label or any other solution to your client. This means that instead of having 5 replies back and forth, your team will just need to be doing 1 reply to the client. We are saving you time and saving your team a lot of effort on replying to multiple tickets. We hope that this video will be very helpful for you and for your team. Thank you for watching.